Okay, so first of all, good evening, all of you, and I hope all are doing well. And today we will discuss about very important topic and very interesting also, because today I don't choose any particular topic for discussing here, because today I want to know knowing about through each other what we done for improving whatever we need, like suppose why we are coming here, because all persons they want to learn English language. So here I think we in previous time and each every day we discuss about sometime we discuss about any particular topic, and some time we discuss about like a domestic type practice we done, and after that I think we feel comfortable, we learn something each other. So I think it's very good. And आज हम इस वीडियो के माध्यम से क्या है कि जब हम और आप किसी को किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में, किसी के बारे में जैसे बताने का प्रयास करते हैं, तो बहुत से लोगों का मानना होता है कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा तो मैं भी कर रहा हूं या वो भी कर रही है, तो मतलब लेकिन इतना अचीवमेंट नहीं मिल पाता है। तो हमारा आज इस वीडियो के माध्यम से यही पर्पज रहेगा कि हम कुछ लोग, कुछ लड़कियां खासकर जो इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हैं और खासकर रूरल एरिया से बिलोंग करती हैं, तो मुझे पता है क्योंकि मेरी टीम जो है, मतलब जैसे नीतू मैम है, नताशा मैम है, मिताली मैम है, और भी मतलब जो भी गर्ल्स हैं, तो क्या है कि मुझे यकीन है क्योंकि हम और आपने प्रूव किया है। तो इसलिए आपसे हमारा यही निवेदन है, यही हमारी आपसे आई वुड लाइक रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज व्हाट एवर यू डन, व्हाट एवर यू डू फॉर इम्प्रूविंग योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल एज वेल एज योर इम्प्रूविंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, तो आप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से थोड़ा क्लैरिफाई करिए, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत वीडियो बनाए हैं, मतलब इन वीडियो के माध्यम से मैंने बताने का प्रयास किया है हरदम कि मैं ये प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, ये टीम हमारी जो प्रैक्टिस कर रही है वो भी इस तरीके की प्रैक्टिस करती है, और डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग वेरी वेल, नो डाउट, क्योंकि मुझे इस पर 100% बिलीव है। क्योंकि इस वे मतलब इस रास्ते को चुनने के बाद मैंने ही अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव नहीं की है, बट आल्सो हियर एवरीबॉडी वी कैन से, और जो हम सब एक सेम प्रैक्टिस करके सभी लोगों ने अपने आप को प्रूव किया है। तो आई वुड लाइक इनवाइट स्पेशली नीतू मैम, बिकॉज शी हैज लॉट्स ऑफ टैलेंट। तो नीतू मैम, आपसे मेरा यही निवेदन है, आप जो भी मैसेज देना चाहती हैं इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, कुछ बिगनर हैं, कुछ मतलब कुछ ऐसी भी लड़के लड़की हैं जो मतलब भारत की आपको सरकमटेंसेस के बारे में आइडिया है, बहुत से लोग रूरल एरिया से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो वो भी अपने सपनों को पूरा करना चाहते हैं, वो भी कुछ अपनी लाइफ में बनना चाहते हैं। तो आप क्या उनको मैसेज देना चाहती हैं, क्यों उनकी मतलब जर्नी में जो छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम आती है उनसे वो डर जाते हैं और अपनी जो प्रोसेस है उसको वहीं स्टॉप कर, तो आप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हमारा ये निवेदन है कि आप थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करें, थोड़ा सा कुछ थोड़े ऐसे कुछ आइडिया बताएं जिससे वो अपनी लाइफ में उन आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट करके वो भी कुछ कर पाए जो अपनी लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं। या नहीं तुम्हें?
Good evening, sir, and good evening to all. Thank you, sir. Give me this opportunity. This is Neetu from Delhi, and I want to suggest some point regarding to learn English, because we know very well English is an international language, and most of the person want to learn English. They want to do speak in English, but they don't speak in English because they want many things, but they don't want to do anything. It is bad, because if anyone want to speak English, definitely that person have to practice. Without practice we cannot speak English. Earlier I also wanted to speak English, but I don't know how will I speak English, because there are many books available in the market, there are many YouTube channels, but without practice we cannot speak. Because of this platform, today I am speaking English, and I can talk with someone, I can deliver my thoughts easily because of practice. So I started practice with Ravin sir, this platform, and I have many students like Natasha madam, Mitali ma'am, Bhavya, and Sanjeev sir, Ranjit sir, all always attend class every day, then I got many things, because each person has different kinds of knowledge, and I have also different. Every day if we will share our thoughts, so definitely we get more knowledge. And each day my knowledge level has been increased. And I can deliver many topics easily because of practice. Earlier I had lots of hesitation, how will I speak? And when I face any new person, that time I didn't have any confidence, how will I speak? Oh my god, which kind of questions he will ask me. If I will give answer, maybe it will be bad and good, maybe our grammar will be not good, because I know my grammar was good. I have a good knowledge about grammar, but I did not have confidence. And I had hesitation also. But day by day, every day, I am practicing with many person, and I get lots of confidence. I have lost hesitation also. And I want to suggest some new person, if you want to speak English, so forget everything, only do practice. And you should make one goal. What do you want to achieve? Your goal is speaking English. Whatever you want, whatever you know, you can deliver. You know very well, firstly you will speak 2 3 words and in a sentence. Second day we will 4 words in a sentence. One day we can make all sentences in English. You are capable to speak English because of practice. And whatever you speak, so we can write also, because someone want to write. Writing is the very good, because if anything we want to write, so never forget. Our teacher, when I was at school, so my teacher also suggested me, if you want to learn, so please write this, then you can keep in your mind for long time. So firstly we make small sentences. Nobody jump nobody can jump high jump, but we can small jump, and we can reach there, that place. Because of we will take step by step, definitely we can achieve our goal. This is the English situation also. If you will do practice every day, make some sentences, and after few days we have realized we are making all sentences in English, and we don't have any problem. And I easily deliver, because I live in Delhi. So many times I meet abroad person, and someone asks to me some address and whatever, so I easily deliver, and I easily talk to with him. So I feel very proud. And thank you, Ravin sir, you have created a good platform for all of the people. And who wants to speak English, definitely that person can this class, and only for few months they can easily deliver his or her thought. Thank you, sir. Give me this opportunity again, sir. And Happy New Year, sir.
Same to you, Neetu ma'am. Really, whatever you deliver about not only some persons they want to learn English language, but also if you want to do something in our life, which kinds of things I think you deliver, definitely we must learn. And after that, I think we can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's great. And definitely after watching some persons, they don't have a idea, like a such kind of idea, which kinds of idea we implement, and after that we can also learn English language, we can also improve our communication skills. So thank you again, Neetu ma'am. It was fantastic, and it was very informative also. Okay, so thank you again. And now I would like request especially Mitali ma'am. Mitali ma'am also has a lots of experience, lots of good idea, because she was also means doing very great work, because she also connect some few months before, few months. So definitely I knowing well, very well, Mitali ma'am. So Mitali ma'am, it's my humble request. Please, you can also suggest. You can also deliver some idea. Which kinds of idea you also implement our life for doing practice. So, which kind of idea you use for improving your communication skills? So, please, you can also suggest. Okay, Mitali.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ravin sir. Today I would like to uh, yeah, yeah, I would like
Mitali
to
ma'am,
speak.
I think you belong to especially Madhya Pradesh and Gwalior. So I think you can also suggest some idea in Hindi, because our surrounding people who are living, mostly people don't knowing about how, like in English. So please, you could elaborate some point in Hindi. So it will very helpful. It's my individual request.
Okay, okay. Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm from Gwalior. My name is Mitali, and I would like to uh, 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 tell about the importance of English. English and English is very important for each and everyone. It plays a vital role. If you want to enhance your personality, attitude, and so English, that time English plays a great role. So English is the very international language and very easy language to know everyone. So if you want to speak in English, so that time you have to practice more. And while you practicing, you start to practicing. So that time you don't mug up anything in your mind, and don't uh, don't uh, 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 introduce yourself rote learning. But if you make a sentence, if you create any sentence in your mind, so that time English is a very easy language. So if you want to recognize anything, and if you want to understand and any paragraph, so that time uh, you have to understand well. And so uh, if initially you think so English is the difficult language, but after some time, if you learn a lot and read a book and speaking, start practicing speaking day by day, so one day you will figure it out. You you achieve a lot, and you can accomplish any goal in your life. So that time English helps a lot. If you want to uh, give give any demo, and if you want to uh, give your interview in any company, so that time, if you start speaking, so it enhances your personality, attitude, and there are a lot of things. So english helps a lot for you, and you can capable to accomplish your goal. Thank you everyone, and happy new year.
Okay, Metali ma'am, you also recall some point. I think what apart from this, I think you also associate a new bond. So definitely, I think which kinds practice, because you also pointed out. I think initially time when you take action for learning English language, definitely I think we have to face a little bit problem, like how to practice and how to overcome you can say hesitation and how to rising my confidence. So that these are very necessary you can say problem, not problem. I think if you want to start any new work, definitely I think initially time, starting time, we have to face same problem. So no need worried about, keep continuously, definitely one day you will get whatever you want. Okay, so I think it was also fantastic whatever you deliver, Mitali ma'am. I think it was very informative also. Okay, so thank you, Mitali ma'am, again. And now I would request, especially Natasha ma'am, and she has also lots of experience and lots of knowledge, not only only English journey. I think, but also she has a lots of other knowledge also. So Natasha ma'am, could you express something, whatever you have a idea about this topic, whatever uh, you have a idea about something others things also, so please you can also suggest some. Yeah, Natasha ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, unmute yourself. Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Okay. Good evening, sir. My side network is not very good. That is why I'm facing problem.
Okay, okay,
And
now your voice clear. Okay, keep continue. Okay.
okay. So good evening to all. And today's actually we are discussing about the how to improve our English. So my name is Natasha Sinha, and I live in Guwahati. So I would like to suggest, especially housemakers, because they think about themselves that if they do their house chores, work at their home, so they can't do anything. So I would like to suggest to all of you guys, because English is not, as you know, like we can learn very easily English through the YouTube, through the, you know, your tutor, because we have lots of things nowadays, and we should use, because all the people have their own mobile, so we should use it. And we lots of app, lots of teachers have on the YouTube, so we can learn lots of things. And Raveen sir always, you know, he provide us this class. And due to this class we are improving our English. And I also housemaker, so I know that which kind of problem I had faced in my previous time. So but nowadays I'm speaking English. If I say that about my journey, so my journey was not very good, but I did lots of effort for it. That is why I'm nowadays I'm speaking. And I also feel very proud of myself, because you know, when I go out and I meet with you know, someone, and most of the people in Guwahati, they know English very well, and they speak in English, that I'm without any hesitation, I give them all the answer. And I talk with them in English, and that time I don't feel hesitate. So because if you speak daily and in front of mirror, in front of yourself, actually firstly we speak on yourself, so what happened, we always get our confidence. And or if you have any friend, and if any you know, if you have any family member, you can speak with them without any thinking that you are speaking right or wrong. Because when we start speaking English, that time we always do mistake, lots of mistake we have, I also have done. But without any thinking that I am saying right or wrong, I don't think about that, and I speak always. And if I do mistakes, so after that I realize that yes, I have done some mistakes, so next time I will get this thing, and I something I keep in my mind. And this thing I always get to, you know, get you many things. And when you want to speak with someone, definitely you will not get stuck, and you will speak very fluently. And thank you so much, Ravin sir, you always provide us this class, because you know, only this class, okay, because in this class have lots of knowledgeable people, and they live in a different places, because we know that we can't go all the places. But so we always get some knowledge from all the people, because they have a different kind of skill. Someone, some of the people do work in a very good sectors, some of the do job in a private sector and government sector. But actually I'm a housemaker, so I always get some new things. And I feel that if you do something good in your life, definitely you will feel very proud on yourself. Because I feel that, because when I go like in anywhere, like I also mentioned in Guwahati, people always, they have a good knowledge about English. So what happened when I speak with them? So I feel proud. Yes, I have knowledge, and I'm getting all the things which is they are speaking. So this is the main thing, and I feel that yes, I have achieved something in my life. Because confidence is very important. Because like if you are a housemaker, but after that you have all the things knowledge, like you are getting lots of things, and that time you feel also proud yourself, and your family members also, they feel proud of you. So don't feel that you are a housemaker, that is you can't do anything in your life. Mostly I'm saying only housemakers, because that I know they have a lots of problems. They can't go out for the learning anything, because they have to do lots of work throughout the day and night, because they always take care of their family. So that is why I'm forcing you. So that is thing, sir. And I would like to suggest one thing also, because lots of people, they live in a remote area, and they also, they are learning English through only mobile. Because mobile provide us lots of things. I did as lots of things on mobile. Firstly, I started learning through on YouTube. So like I got one thing, that like if any people want to do something in their life, and they are doing lots of effort, and they want to learn anything, not only I'm talking about English, all the subject. If they want to get anything, so they can do, sir. Nowadays always, nowadays we have a lots of things. Because if when I was in school and college, that time I didn't have this kinds of facility, but nowadays all the people have. And mostly, lots of people waste their time, like they always watch movies and like that. Sometimes also, previous time also did this thing. But nowadays when I start watching something, so that time, sir, I always think about myself, I'm wasting my time. And this time I have time, I should learn something. So this thing I always, this thing always come in my mind. And I stopped my all the things, and start something watching, and start some writing. And Neetu ma'am also mentioned about writing part is a very important. Because that English writing is a very important, because we always write in Hindi. And if if you write something, so definitely your writing will improve. Because that nowadays all the papers, all the things have an English. So what happened, those people, they don't have a knowledge about English, and they don't get proper sentences, so they face so many problems. And if you are a if you have to write something, so you will have to do like writing. So thank you so much, sir. This is from my side. Thank you so much, and happy
Really,
new year to all, guys.
same to you, Neetu ma'am. Sorry, Natasha ma'am. Really, it was fantastic, and no doubt, because whatever I have a means thoughts, especially towards yourself. Definitely, you also pointed out lots of very remarkable points, and each every point I think very effective. I think which kinds point, which kinds practice anyone they start with our journey. Definitely, one day we will get very determined, is correct, no doubt. And especially you also very pressurized one point, you have a mobile. I think each every mostly Indian people nowadays have a mobile, and I think with data. So that's why we must need little bit change our thinking. Okay, and after that I think when you change your thinking, and after that you can start a huge proper which kinds knowledge, which kinds like a video be I mean for important our life. Definitely I think one day we can learn lots of good things through mobile, through other person also. So that's great, ma'am, and thank you, it was fantastic. And definitely after watching this video, I means 100% believe lots of people, lots of persons, they don't have an idea, they have an idea but they too much worried about for taking action and for doing some practice, especially they, because we are living in India, so Indian people too much think about it, especially our like means respect and other thing also. When anyone I know very well lots of people, so they try and they also want to learn English language, but what happened when they started like learning, and because when you starting learning English language, definitely we have to speak, okay, and initially time without making mistake we can't speak any no one. So that's why they think about it. When I start learning English, when I make mistake and people laugh it, okay, and my respect, so that's why I think we take a negative. So that's definitely I think after watching lots of people, they also will get lots of good idea, no doubt, and especially some point very remarkable. And I think which kind point some successful person also used in previous time, and nowadays also they are using, and they are means getting whatever we learn. Okay, so that's great and it was fantastic. And now Kavita ma'am also here. Kavita ma'am, would you like to say something about this topic? Kavita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can start.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, कविता मैम, आप अपने इस माध्यम से आप टीचर हो, आपने बताया था एक दिन, तो आप किस तरीके से मतलब इस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को अपने बच्चों को उनको समझाने का, मतलब उन्हें बताने का प्रयास करती हो कि अगर आप जिंदगी में कुछ करना चाहते हो, क्योंकि वी आर लिविंग इन 21 एरा, तो आपका जो नेटिव लैंग्वेज उसको तो आपको सीखना ही है। इसके बाद में इंग्लिश भी आज के समय में बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बनती जा रही है। तो आप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से अपने स्टूडेंटों को क्या मैसेज देना चाहती हो? ओके कविता मैम।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. And I have very nice opportunity and this topic. So English is very most important. Speak English. So for school English medium and all students. So very most important speak English. So and so as all students.
Okay, Kavita ma'am, I think it's sufficient because time is going very fast. So only 2 minutes left, and Gandharv sir also here. Gandharv sir, would you like to say something about this way? Because today, don't you can say have any particular topic. Whatever you feel, whatever you I think about it, I think this practice is very important. So you can also suggest, because you are working in Indian Army. So I salute you, and after that I think you also want to learn English language. So that's great. You give very big, like a message, especially our lots of younger youth. They always told about I don't have a time, how to manage, तो आप इस वीडियो के माध्यम से थोड़ा सा आप बताएं कि मतलब इतना हार्ड वर्क करने के बाद आप कैसे टाइम को मैनेज करके यहाँ पर भी आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो, मतलब थोड़ा सा एक दो आइडिया सर आप दे सकते हैं। यस कंदर।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो मैं रविंदर सर का धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा, जो इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से हम सब लोगों को प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं। नताशा मैम, आसी मैम, जो कि हम काफी बिगनर हैं और हमें प्रोत्साहित भी करते हैं। और इंग्लिश, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ चेन्नई में तमिलनाडु में पोस्टिंग आया, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट हुआ इंग्लिश का। यहाँ पे देखा हमें तमिल आता नहीं है, तमिल और सामने वालों को हिंदी समझ में नहीं आता है, तो इंग्लिश का बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ा यहाँ पे, तो थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश बोल के काम चलाया, फिर भी काम नहीं चला। तो फिर जून या जुलाई में मैं रविंद्र सर का क्लास अटेंड किया था, तो उसके माध्यम से धीरे धीरे प्रेरणा मिली मुझे। डेली कुछ एप्स के माध्यम से, डुओलिंगो के माध्यम से इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव किया। लेकिन मुझे आते हुए भी मैं